First, go into settings, then go to account settings. Then we're going to scroll down to sign in options. Once we're in sign in options, we'll want to turn off improved security, only allow Windows Hello sign in for Microsoft accounts for on this device. Make sure to turn this off. Now we're going to run a new program called netplwiz. You can find it just by typing it in on the search bar. Run netplwiz. Once netplwiz is open, you must uncheck users must enter username and password to use this computer. Select your email and uncheck this box and then hit apply. A new menu will automatically load up. You need to erase your username and replace it with your email that you used to sign in. I will be censoring mine out for safety purposes. Then once you finish putting in your information, click OK and then click OK again. Now you need to restart your computer. And there you have it. We completely erased the need to log in. And now when we boot our computer, it logs in for us automatically. You're welcome, gamers.
Hey, Simba Nola. Hi. How you doing?
They want you to give me pets. They want me to give you pets. Meow.
Meow.